Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to apologize for my inaccurate predictions for when SQQQ is going to bottom this week after a dip. I said it was going to be at 82, but it bottomed at 77.33 at close on Thursday. And at this point, I still see another chance that it could dip further to 75, which is the bull bear separation line on the day chart for SQQQ. And since it's above the day chart trend line at this point, I'm still keeping my long-term bear position, and I still see it spiking further after this further dip next week. So let's dive right into it. So we're looking at the 1 hour chart for SQQQ, which I said last week that it's going to bottom at the top of this short-term trend line. But it bottomed to this mid-term trend line on this chart. And when we zoom out though to the 4 hour chart, there is this strong buy signal, which we had a spike on open on Thursday, and it dipped down below to this point, and there is this buy signal here. So this can give this bear side a boost next week. And when we're looking at the day chart, we are still above this blue bull bear separation line, and so we are still within the bear cycle. It's just that we spiked up too much and we hit this long-term trend line, which is red on the day chart, and it needs another support in order to have a better spike upward later. So this hasn't broken the bear cycle yet, but the reason I'm saying that it could dip further to 75 is because that's where this line is, which is a critical support for SQQQ. And looking at the SPY, we can see this more clearly because SH spiked up further and it broke through this long-term red trend line on the day chart. We need another downward movement in order to have a better support later on.